Dear all, welcome to my YouTube channel Agribusiness a Journey. Today I will discuss about another important chapter in the series of different chapters of business plan, that is industrial analysis. Industrial analysis is otherwise called as the Porter's five force model, or you can say that this industrial analysis is highly essential to understand if you like to do business in the competitive environment. If as a player you are thinking about increasing the market share, then you should know the industrial analysis. If you are the player who are doing the business in the red ocean, then definitely you have to do the industrial analysis. Industrial analysis is not a good strategy, or you can say that it's not a right strategy if you are in the blue ocean. It means if you are a very single player in a complete ocean, then don't do the industrial analysis. But when you are doing the business in the red ocean, where you find the supplier, where you find the consumers, new entrants, substitute products, then definitely you thinking about how to increase the market share and market growth. Then this Porter's five force model is an important tool to understand this. First, starting from the industrial analysis, the most important one is the industry competitors. When you are in that market segment where you find the maximum competitors, then definitely you always think that how to increase the market share by selling the maximum good, or how can you increase the how can you decrease the price of the product by which the product has been penetrate maximum in the market segment. But numbers of time that is not be useful, as you can increase the product price due to the increase in the raw material contents. If you are doing the business where the raw materials or the input cost is quite higher, then definitely that impact on the price, then ultimately price cost will increase. Then definitely your competitors will get the maximum competitive advantage, not you. In that circumstances, industry competitors, or how industry will attract your business, that need to be understood. Dear all, when industry competition is quite high, then there are some of the strategy are there you need to look upon. One important strategy is that you should have the control on your product prices by doing proper intellectual property right, or you can say that if you can like to increase or control the know-how of the particular product and services which cannot be done by your competitor, then definitely you have the better market share. If you have the control on the raw materials, you are doing a business where you are the only player who has a control on the raw materials, then definitely you have some better edge in the market. If you are the particular player who have the better know-how about the technologies, then you should have a better market share. If you have some legal expertise, then definitely you have some market share. Whatever you try to have, create some marketing edge or competitive edge against your competitor if you are like to do the business in a continuously in a definite market segment. So whatever industry competitors, how you can compete with them, you should know that. Besides that, another important, you can say that threat, or you can say that if you control it under your control, the potential entrants, the threat of new entrants. It is always, you know that in the market is highly competitive. Even new entrants are coming, then definitely you will find some marketing threat. If the new entrants are coming, then new entrants are coming in 4 different strategies. Either your market is low entry, low exit strategies, Your market is high entry, high exit strategies. Market is low entry, high exit strategies, or high entry, low exit strategies. Suppose your market segment is low entry, low exit. It means anyone can come and anyone can exit at any part of the time. It means, or you can say that it is the food grain market, or you can see it when entry is very low, exit is also very low, or the anyone can come and anyone can exit from a definite particular market segment, then you know that the profit potentiality is also very low in the particular market segment. High entry, high exit. It means entering the market or entering the market segment by a competitor is very difficult, and definitely it is another difficulty to exit the market. Then you can say that your profit potentiality are very much stable. Why it is very much stable? Because those who are not performing in the market segment, they could not exit. If they could not exit, then there may be the chances that they find the difficulties to increase their profit potentialities. They may be surrounded with overcapacities, their inventory cost will be increased. Then it is very difficult for them to do the business in the particular market segment. Another strategy is low entry, high exit. Low entry, anyone can come, but it could not go out. Those players are not doing the business, they could not go out. Think about their existence in the particular market segment. Last one is the high entry and low exit. It is the best marketing strategies. Anyone can come to the market segment in a difficult way, but when it is not performing well, easily they can exit. It is the best marketing strategies for the potential entrants. But whatever, when the potential entrants are coming, then you should understand that how the market segment behaves, in which market segment you are doing the business, whether you are doing the business at the high entry, high exit market segment or low entry, high exit market segment. According to the product, you should understand that whether potential entrant will affect your business or not. Next is bargaining power of the buyers. Normally, when buyers are very less in number, then definitely they bargain more. Normally, when the buyers not only control your output of your product, but also control the upstream of the supply chain, or you can say that control the raw material of the supply, raw material of your product, they have maximum bargaining power. How you can break the bargaining power of the buyer? First, you should understand that the demand elasticity. Whoever the buyer, whoever the consumer, whether the demand of the particular categories of the consumers or the buyer are elastic or inelastic one. If they are elastic one, then definitely they shifted to another market players in the market segment. If the elasticity highly inelastic, they will stick to your market. Another important thing you should understand that the market structure, whether buyers have the monopsony condition, single buyer or two buyer, few buyers, there may be the cartels of buyers. You should understand the market structure. If you do that, then definitely the bargaining power of the buyers, somehow you have to control under your decision making process, and in the market segment you should have some better market share or the better pie for your product and services. Another important thing need to be understand that threat of substitute. Daily, every day you see that numbers of similar products are coming to your market segment. Same product, or you can say that same wine in the different bottles, or you can say that you have daily basis compete with those products which are almost similar to each other. Then how you can control your business in that forum? You control your business by PQS formula: price, quality and service. Reduce your price, increase your quality and increase your service. but ultimately that separated out from your substitute product in the same market segment. Or you can go for the USP formula, unique selling propositions, how your product is different than your substitute product, what extra things you have added in your product that separated out your substitute product in the same market segment. Find it out. If you find it out, then definitely your industry will do well, your farm will do well, and you will do the better market share in the market segment. Again, the bargaining power of the supplier. If the suppliers are very less, or they always bargain for their raw materials, for their input, then definitely you have to think about them, how to control the particular suppliers. You may go for the long-term relationship with the suppliers, or you go for the short-term relationship with the suppliers. Long-term relationship with the few suppliers, because when the market have very few suppliers, then definitely you think about long-term relationship. Or when the market are highly competitive, numbers of suppliers are there, then you go for the negotiation with the large suppliers. Or you can go for the vertical integrations. You means whether you are connected with the suppliers more in their upstream activities, the production activities, or you connect with the suppliers more in the downstream activities. You should understand that whether you should go for the horizontal integrations, forward integrations, and the vertical integrations. Then you should know the Keiretsu network. How you can go for win and win situation with your suppliers. Whether you can give some credit to a suppliers, and when you need the raw materials, then supplier also supply the raw material. That is a win-win situation between the supplier and the organization. If you can do that, that is called Keiretsu network. Then definitely your supplier have some control, or you can control your suppliers' behaviors in a better way. Go for the virtual organizations. From big company to the click companies, you should convert yourself in the internet world, networking world. Then definitely more and more suppliers will be connected with you, and you have some better market share and better say in the market. In this competitive world, you should understand that how you can perform well, or how you can do the effective industrial analysis for getting the more market share. That is nothing else, but it is called the Porter's 5 model. If you do that, you can understand that. Then when you have drafted your business plan, then it will attract more and more investors, because everyone will understand that you can understand the market quite well. Thank you all. From future videos, I will bring more and more information connected to the industries, and it will definitely help you to understand your market segmentations. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.